Hello guys, how are you? We have to talk. Yes, we do. We have to talk. Very quick video. I just want to put something out there. There is one guy that I really, really trust almost 100%, and that is Burak. Again, buy all the silver miners and thank me later in a few years. And I think he's correct. I really do. The reason is the charts. Let's look at the charts, guys. Boom. We are very, very, very close to something that doesn't happen very often. Um, I wish this ETF went further back, but we only have roughly 15 years. But what I set up this is, guys, the silver miners. The gold miners has already broken out. Absolutely fantastic. Silver miners above like 42. Again, the 42, guys. 4.2, 420, you know the deal. Anyways, is the is the big moment. And we can look at the Bollinger Band, somewhat squeezed here. This is the monthly. Momentum here on the weekly, completely compressed. And you can see here, if we move the Bollinger Band, otherwise it gets, you can see here, once we start to clear, it's game on, guys. You can basically buy whatever silver stock you want. That's an exaggeration, of course, but the silver miners will do so well. It's absolutely mind-blowing how good they will do. Silver will do well. Let's look at silver also. Before we go, let's just endure that pattern there alone. It is really, really nice. Again, nothing is 100%, but the weekly candle here to me just says it all. We had a huge rejection, two dojis, huge rejection, and then boom. So again, 42 on the SILJ, and we are ready to go. Gold miners, as you know, has broken out in 2024. Breakout, retest, a little deep. It is what it is. Resumption. Gold miners are incredible. And if we measure the gold miners against gold, look, guys, look here. Here we have it. Here we have it. XAU USD. Boom. What's that? That is 15 years of downtrend for the gold miners against gold. And we could be there again. Again, look at the candle here. Look at the volume compared to. Again, people can buy the spread here. So you buy gold miners short gold, but you can buy the spread here. And again, look at the volume coming in. We are so damn close. It's not even funny. Actually, it is. Anyways, silver, let's look at silver here is, again, had a very bad week last week together with the whole turmoil and now recovering nicely. Volume blasting the biggest volume in a long time, and actually over 3 years on that candle alone. When we trade above 35, guys, boom, we will see 50 very quickly. There are multiple measures that backs that theory. One is where are you? Where are you? Is it the dollar? Nope, it's the Dixie here. You can see here silver divided by the Dixie. Look at that, guys. Look at where we are. We are sitting at the gates for silver. Yes, it sounds hyperbole and all that, but we only need versus the Dixie. I think the Dixie has dropped a bit too much. Maybe here in the short term, we might see a little bit of a pullback at the $100 Dixie, but within 4%, and we're breaking that 15-year resistance. Boom, we're gonna see all-time high quickly. Very, very quickly we are to see all-time highs, in my opinion. Look at the alignment. It is almost perfect. That's one of them. And then we have, is it dead here also? No, it's not the dead. I'm going to find it for you. Here it is. Yes, yes, yes. One more. Again, we have to invert this because TradingView is sometimes a beep. And look at that. The inverted head and shoulders of silver measured against M2 money supply. We are very, very close to have silver outperform the money supply by 50%, all the way up to For some reason, that is just completely wrong. But we're actually breaking out, my bad. Probably pulling back. But again, we're so damn close. We've been there a few times before, and this is one of the times where I'm gonna, get serious with these calls for the silver. And again, look at the silver miners today here, green across the board. I would like to show you one here that we bought. Where are you? This one here, Santa Cruz. Absolutely fantastic setup. All of a sudden, this became one of my biggest holdings. That's my target for Santa Cruz silver mining. We haven't broken yet the neckline here at roughly 0.56. But when it breaks, you trigger the inverted head and shoulders going back roughly 15 years. The target is 7.47. 7.47 from now. That's over 1,000%. The breakout here, again, tag here, the breakout from that 2-year retest resumption. Fantastic. Absolutely gorgeous setup. What else do we have here? We have more. I know we have more. Nope. I have so much on my mind here. MKO here, I still think is good value here, even though it has run a little bit. It's fine. RDS, you can buy a lot above 0.4, a lot above 0.4. Look at that. 0.4, yes, 0.4 on RDS, and you should see all-time highs very quickly. So there are so many. We will go through them all during the weekends here. But again, I just wanted to show you silver, and I agree with the Borak. It is looking primed. And the reason, like we didn't have last time, when we start to talk about silver, let's go, is now that the miners are telling the same story higher. And that weekly candle there is just an absolute, monster from another dimension. I got 42 on the SILJ, guys. If you don't want to pick individual stocks, you just buy the SILJ, or at least just buy 50% of your capital that you want to invest into silver miners. Just do 50% silver, find 5 others, or the ones that I show you. Maybe Santa Cruz is definitely one of them. And you play that game. You're getting some dividends as well. That's quite cool. Looks fantastic. The next target for SILJ is quite stiff resistance. It's going to break, but 53 is my next target. So 45 to 53, the initial first target for silver. Uranium, nope. We're going to talk about that in another video. Guys, is it time? Let me know. The odds are really good. Have a great day. Cheers, guys. Bye.